This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the badge on the radiator grille, insert the key and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet. Lift the bonnet slightly and then rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and remove the key. Slacken the nut and disconnect the battery negative lead clamp. Position a workshop jack under the reinforced section of the sill. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it with an axle stand under the front subframe rear mounting. Raise the other side of the vehicle in the same manner. Undo the fasteners and remove the plastic shield under the engine. Slacken the intercooler hose clamps. Undo the 2 retaining bolts and remove the intercooler pipe assembly from under the engine. The starter motor is located at the front of the engine. Undo the 2 nuts and attach the wiring connections from the starter motor solenoid. Note their fitted positions, then unclip the wiring loom. Slacken and remove the starter motor retaining bolts. Pull the starter motor forwards from the locating dowels and manoeuvre it downwards from place. Ensure the cylinder block mating face is clean and the locating dowels are secure. Manoeuvre the starter motor into position. Refit the upper retaining bolt and locate the motor over the dowels. Tighten both retaining bolts to the specified torque. Refit the wiring connections to the starter solenoid and tighten the retaining nuts securely. Clip the wiring loom into its original location. Working underneath the vehicle, connect the intercooler pipe into the hoses. Refit the retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Tighten the intercooler hose clamps. Manoeuvre the engine undershield into place, then secure it with the fasteners. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Refit the negative clamp to the battery terminal, tighten the nut and check the clamp is secure. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock, fold over the badge.